Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to set the path of Hadoop and Java. So first I am opening the environment variable, search here environment. Before setting the environment variable, I am going to show the error of the Hadoop if path not set. So it will give you the error like this Hadoop is not recognized as internal or external command. Now I will close this window, go to environment variable. Now click on the new and set Hadoop home and set the path of the C colon where just install the Hadoop copy, paste here. In the same way, I can set the path of Java also. So Java underscore home, then go to where the Java file is saved. So C type program file, Java JDK 1.8. Copy, paste here. Okay. Just click on just reconfirm Hadoop underscore it. Oh, sorry, I am missing the P. Yeah, it's working. Then go to the path, edit here. Now you can edit percent do underscore home slash bin. You can also confirm the path by opening that is you have successfully set the path. Now you can also set the path of SB folder. Now you can also cross verify just opening the folder correctly. Now in the same way you can set the Java path. Java underscore home slash bin. Now we can confirm Java home is not opening. So might be we have to check first for the Java or the spelling issue anything like. Okay, we can check delete. Okay, so we have set the Java path correct. Java home percent it not opening. Yeah, it's working. Now we can again go to the environment variable and click on the path, edit. Now paste to Java, then slash bin. Copy the same path and again paste here, including bin. Yeah, just opening the. Make sure you have all the set path is opening the folder correctly. Otherwise, it will not work. So close all the window. Now again open the CMD and type Hadoop version. Then it will give some another error, but the system cannot find the path specify the Java home correctly in this file. So I have to set the path in this file also. So like open this file that is located here. Now the file name is Hadoop environment CMD. Hadoop environment CMD. I click on edit. And then you're open now as you can see here already set the path for the some reason but it will not accept it. So what should I have to do? I have set the directly path. So comment this folder, then paste same the line and write the following line. C colon slash slash C colon slash program program 1 and the remaining part of your C drive. Like C program file Java JDK. So I can just, because it's a Linux, so it will not allow the space in your name. So that's the reason I have used this short method here. Now we can save and remove this. Now try close this, close this. Now open cmd hadoop underscore hadoop version. Sorry. Now, if you get the version correctly, that means you have successfully installed the Hadoop. In the next video, I can start the Hadoop server and set the data nodes and the name node. So thank you for watching this video.